We are going to start with unit number 13, page number 120 to 121. We are going to cover today and we are going to discuss water pollution. Basically, water is essential for all the life forms on the earth. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Clean and pure water is needed by every human being. So basically, when you talk about the importance of water, water is very important for us because 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water and 70% of our body is also made of water. So we need clean and pure water for our survival to live a healthy life. And basically, water pollution is the contamination of water like a river, lake, oceans, and underground by human activity. So, as you know, that as human being, we have different needs, and to fulfill those needs, we do different activities, and these activities are responsible for contaminating the water, making the water impure. So, this is what is water pollution. Causes of water pollution, page number 121. As you all know that water pollution is the contamination of water by harmful substances. So there are a lot of reasons, a lot of causes that cause water pollution. But some of the biggest sources of water pollution are there are four main causes of water pollution. Number one is oil spill. Here you can see in this picture that there is a ship and around the ship in the ocean there is oil spill. Oil spill is basically the leakage of oil from the tankers. This can be due to a technical fault or it can be due to carelessness that the tankers that take the oil from one part of the country to another through the ship. Sometimes due to some mishap, the tankers that are present in the ship they leak, and what happens is that all the oil that's it spreads in the ocean, causing oil spills. The second reason, cause of water pollution is untreated human sewage. So here in this picture you can see that earlier I discussed that human produces two type of waste. It can be solid and it can be liquid. Two type of waste can be present. So when you don't throw garbage at a proper disposable spot, or we just throw garbage in front of our houses, people do that, so this causes various diseases. So when the human sewage, the human waste, sewage basically means waste. So when the human sewage is not properly treated, here you can see this is water and this whole is the human, different kind of human waste. It can be in the form of plastic, paper, wood, anything. So it causes diseases and it causes water pollution. Number third one is chemical used by farmers, pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. So these are different types of chemicals. Here you can see in this picture. These are different type of chemicals. They are of different brands. They have different names. Uh, when farmers when farmers spray them on the fields for different reasons, then overuse of these pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, overuse of these chemicals also causes water pollution because the quantity that plant need is absorbed by the plant. The rest of the chemical, it just travels with the water and it spreads to the clean water. It goes to the clean water. So these chemicals are also very dangerous. Talking about these chemicals, pesticides are basically the substances that are sprayed on the plants to kill the unwanted insects, because some insects, they are very dangerous for the plants. Herbicides are the substances that are used uh, to destroy or kill the unwanted plants or herbs that are not needed. Fertilizers are basically the main chemicals that are sprayed on the soil to increase its plant growth. They make the soil fertile. The last main cause of water pollution is industrial waste. Here in this picture, you can see that this is a big industry of it can be of plastic or any other good. This industry, is does not have a the industries in Pakistan especially do not have a proper disposal of waste. What they do is through their pipes they just spill the water, their garbage into clean water. Here in this picture, you can see that this clean water it is having dirt particles and the waste in it, so it becomes unfit and impure, and it is not good for your drinking. So it also causes water pollution. All these reasons that I've told you, all these things, they mix with water of ocean, river, and lakes and make water impure for other living things. So these are the main causes of water pollution. Now, our last topic are the effects of water pollution. Now, we are going to discuss why water pollution is dangerous, how it affects the life of all the living things, plants, animals, and humans. Every water pollution is very dangerous because every living thing on the earth or every living thing that is around, it needs water for its survival. If water is not present, then no one can live. So effects of water pollution. The first effect is polluted water is harmful for human activity and natural environment. So polluted water, the water that is not clean, it is harmful for human health and natural environment. It is not safe for drinking. Obviously, if you will always prefer clean water for drinking, unclean water, you would not like to drink it. It can cause dangerous problems not only in humans but for marine animals as well. So the impure water, it is not only dangerous for humans, it is also dangerous for marine animals. Marine means the animals or the plants, everything that lives under water. Polluted water can also cause diseases such as cholera and typhoid. Cholera basically is when you have diarrhea, and typhoid is also when you have high fever. These are all waterborne diseases. These diseases are because of water, and these are infectious diseases. Oil spills from tankers cover the ocean surface, killing fishes and other sea life. So the oil spills that I explained you earlier, they also are a very big reason for killing fishes and other sea animals. Here in these pictures, you can see that the key health problems caused by water pollution. So basically in humans, these are the key problems that are caused by water pollution like diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria. It's also a high degree of diarrhea, skin lesions, you get spots on your skin, nerve disorders, kidney disorders, hepatitis. These are some of the few diseases that you get because of water pollution, but cholera and typhoid are the main diseases that are caused by water. The If you look at this picture, then you can see that a turtle has died because he is having this plastic on his mouth. So his mouth is covered with plastic. So how the turtle can breathe? So water pollution also affects the marine life, marine animals. Here in this picture, that you can see that this pipe is is just mixing unclean water and dirt particles with the clean water. This is your clean water, and this is unclean water. What will happen? The animals like fishes, all the sea animals, they will get these chemicals in their body, and as a result they will die. And here you can also see some kind of plastics bottles, so these also affect the marine life. And the oil spills from the tankers, you know that in the earlier slide I showed you the oil spills, that the oil leaks from the tanks and it spreads on the surface of the ocean. What happens is when it spreads on the surface of the ocean, then it forms a layer, and there is no oxygen exchange of carbon dioxide oxygen from the animals to the environment outside. So this also results in animals and plants having difficulty in respiration. So they also die because of this. So these are some of the effects of water pollution.